Look at this vegetarian orange chicken. Looks just like the real thing. Let me show you how I made it. Hello friends, welcome back to Ravi Hobby. I started with about 8 scoops of wheat flour in a container. How many got? 6?
6 now.
Make it 8. That's it. Added water and mixed it into dough.
I don't know, I'm gonna learn this as we do it. Should I? My papa does not like it either.
I can do everything not.
He's like, I don't like making dough and washing the dishes.
No, dishes I can do it, but dough making
He just
dough
doesn't
is
like it.
I don't like
He likes cooking.
Kneaded it well until it came together nice and smooth. Then I took it to the counter for some serious kneading because this step takes work. Let's see. Once ready, I weighted it out. Exactly 1 kilo, a perfect 1000 grams. Placed it in a container, covered with water. And now I have to let it rest for 1 to 2 hours. And let it rest for 2 hours. And this is going to be our vegetarian chicken. After resting, I started washing the dough to separate the starch. This takes patience. Squeeze, wash, repeat until the water turns cloudy. Drained out that starchy water. Added fresh water and kept going. And do it one more time. You have to do this 3 or 4 times until all starch is out, leaving behind pure gluten. Just have to strain it out. This is all gluten. And here it is. All the strain, all the water is out of here. All the starch is out. Pure gluten dough. The base of veggie chicken. Next step, I stretch the gluten like elastic. You see the meaty texture? Not right now. But you will see. We should have taken more atta.
More atta?
Yeah, we should have taken more atta because not braided it, then cut into 3 slots and braided once more.
Right? I mean,
do that. Braid cook. This layering gives it that fibrous, meaty chicken texture. Now this is ready. I mean, if you want, you can do it the same thing again. So let's do it again. That's good, yeah, just keep doing that. That's good. And here it is, raw veggie chicken, ready to cook. Let it rest for 5 minutes, and in the meanwhile we'll boil the water to boil this and cook it. For flavor, I made a broth. To give some flavor to my chicken. So this is piece of beet. This is going to give a little bit color. Some hot sauce. You can use any hot sauce. Some soya sauce. Just a little bit. Some cayenne pepper. Turmeric powder. Garlic powder. Salt. Pepper. And let it boil. And I'll put one bay leaf and let it boil. I'll just wait till it boils and then I'll dip that in there. Boiling seasoned water. Chicken goes in. Add this in here. Turn the stove on low medium, cover it and let it cook for at least 45 minutes. After about 30 to 40 minutes, I flipped it once and let it go for another 10 minutes. Flip it and leave it another 10 minutes. And separate it. Turn off the heat, let it sit for 30 minutes.
Now stir this together, brown it up. Now we're beginning to define that timeline.
And now stored it in broth. In the fridge overnight. Next day, it's ready to go. I sliced it into strips. And just look at that. Breaks apart just like real chicken. A tablespoon of ghee in the pan. Added the strips and started browning them. Cook till golden brown, crispy outside, tender inside. आरची को मैंने बोल दिया है कि आरची भी वासु को नहीं बताएगा। जी तुम भी आना सीधा मम्मी पापा पास आ जाना, मैं भी वहीं पे सीधा आगे उतरूंगा। Roasted some sesame seeds too. Here's where it gets interesting. I had a plan to eat orange chicken with my son Archie. He thought we were going to a Chinese restaurant, but surprise, I was bringing my own chicken. Weather was nice, so I took my bike, picked him up and we headed to the park. Archie thought we were still going out, but at the park. I start eating chicken from today. That's why I added something special.
Oh, Papa, I have an idea.
What?
I have an idea.
What?
When we go to the barber, you should say, like, if You're gonna make a video of me getting a haircut before and after?
Just cut up. I set everything up on the table and pulled out the veggie chicken. He was shocked because I'm pure vegetarian and he's never seen me eat chicken. Well, this was my version. See, I got the chicken. I spread some mustard oil on the hard pan, added the chicken. Organic chicken. And then poured in 4 to 5 tablespoons of orange sauce from Aldi. What is that, smoothie?
Kinda. It's a sorbet. It's basically, there's nothing, no sugar or anything. It's just How's it?
Mince it. Archie helped out by chopping green onions and coriander. Teamwork.
Is there a better knife?
For the camping, you can just use anything.
Can we go camping in Boston one day again?
Yeah, don't tell also anybody that we are coming to North Carolina,
Yeah.
okay?
How do I know once it's fully minced? How do I know if it's fully minced?
Just finely chopped.
After we're done, can you drop me off to the gym?
Okay. The UFC?
Yeah.
And ask them why they have charged $55.
Yeah.
Chopped it with green onions, fresh coriander, sesame seed. Okay, it's ready. Come on, let's see it. And there it was, ready to serve in the park.
It's not chicken, right?
It is chicken.
No, it's not chicken.
What do you mean?
Chicken isn't good.
Organic chicken, isn't it?
No.
Yeah.
Chicken doesn't look like that.
What?
Chicken doesn't look like that.
What? Yeah.
Chicken doesn't look like that.
What?
Chicken doesn't look like that.
How do you eat it? Then you will know. What is it?
I don't think it's chicken.
What do you mean it's not chicken? What is it? Mutton? Archie's reaction. He said it's not exactly like chicken, but he liked it.
What?
What do you mean it's not meat?
It's not me.
It is meat.
You did this to me before, remember?
How's it? Full of protein.
It's not chicken though, right?
How does it taste? Close, right?
Yeah.
You like it? I like it. For me, it's good, right? Like this, like what? 100, maybe 100 grams? Look more. Actually, he liked it so much, he ate mine too. As soon as I hit the land after the cruise, I went on 100 hours of straight water fast. Did you see the video? Why didn't you see that? The last part of our cruise. You didn't see any of the cruise video? So this is called Seitan, basically pure wheat gluten. It's been used for centuries in Asian cooking as a meat alternative. And here's the cool part. Seitan is packed with protein, about 25 grams of protein in just 100 grams of seitan. That's almost like chicken breast, but 100% vegetarian. Today's Thursday actually. You want to go for a haircut? Or maybe come tomorrow day after tomorrow. Today's Thursday, bro. Should not be
We can sit for Monday. Because I have a party to go to on Saturday.
on Saturday. It's low in fat, zero cholesterol, and if you cook it right, the texture is surprisingly close to real meat. Tastes really good. It's close to chicken.
Yeah.
It's perfect for a healthy, high-protein vegetarian diet. Still hungry, we can go to Taco Bell, right? How's your gym?
We had the people fix it though, so I think they'll die in like 2 minutes.
After lunch, Archie wanted to ride my motorcycle for the first time.
Not too much race, okay?
And surprisingly, he did really good.
Release it slowly and then go. Slow, not too much.
Kid's strong. Of course, he hits the gym regularly.
It's not in gear. Okay, now just keep the clutch on and then start it.
First year?
First gear, yep. Good. Okay, go slowly, little bit race, just a little tiny bit.
Later we got hungry again, grabbed some falafel in a local falafel store. Then Archie got a haircut and I dropped him back at the gym.
Keep hand on the brake.
That's it, stop.
Come on, Archie, go 2 gyms. You can do it. Wanna go back there? Huh? Put the gear on and go. Yeah, you can ride. Be careful, okay? Keep hands on the brake and accelerator is a little bit. No, not too much accelerator. Down is the first gear.
By then it was late and I don't like riding at night. To make things more fun, it started raining, so I reached home all wet. And that's how my veg chicken day turned out. So yeah, vegetarian orange chicken, approved by Archie, and now part of my healthy diet plan. More tasty experiments coming soon, so stay tuned.